Hi mga moms! Welcome back to my vlog. Char, mura nagsis mo loud. Maulaw ta. Anyway, naabot karon ang parcel para kabaste. This is, kuha na siya kanang piggy bank, no? So ato ning i-unbox kay he is very excited gyud sa iyang piggy bank. Actually, usara ni kabuok. I don't know. Basin mag-away ni sila abot sa iyang cousin. Pero iyang cousin na may piggy bank. So, sige siyang galangas, Mama, where's my piggy bank? It's in school. Charot. Sakto ba kung pag-in-English? So, ako ning dag-on karon og let's see kung isa iyang reaction. Okay? So, dito na lang siguro ni nako i-unbox sa balay. Or diri na lang. Diri na lang siguro, no? Para ako na lang ihatag niya dito. Let's see. Tadang! So, this is his piggy bank. No? Naa siya'y keys. And then, kitipay kayo. Kitipay kayo. This is only 89 pesos. Plus shipping fee na 50 pesos. So, this is all 139 pesos. Sulit na, di ba? I know he will be so excited to see this and to use this. So, amo siyang giingnan nga, we will give you piggy bank para mag-save siya money para this coming December, he will have money para i-buy niya og toys or ato niya dumagit. Because he, ganan gud siyang magdula dito sa Wolf, sa World of Fun, sa Dumaguete. So, na siya money, na siya savings. So, let's see kung unsa iyang reaction pag abot na ako.
What piggy bank? You see?
Get it. Okay, biraha. I'll help you.
Oh my God! Piggy bank!
Oh, wala pa naabot ka Kuya Man. Kaming pa ka Kuya. Kaming pa imo Kuya.
Oh my God! You also have a key.
Yes.
Mine.
Yeah, kakuya kay kaming pa ka Kuya.
Are you saying mine? This is yours.
Yeah. Kuya is coming pa iya ha.
Papa, look! Papa! Papa, look!
Ka Kuya Man kay butangan ninyo og money.
Wow.
We'll give you money ha. Dali mo diri sa sulod dali.
This one, the key.
Oh, do not get the key.
Don't get
Okay, that's the lock to your piggy bank. We'll give you piso.
Papa, what's the money?
Go. Okay.
Open
Nana,
it.
do not open it.
Wow. Thank
Do
you.
not. You're welcome. 10 pesos. Ibutan sa iyong piggy bank.
Mana diri naman.
Sige. Do not get the key. Coming pa yung mga inani, Kuya Man. You're the same. Panabot imo.
Bukan ako sa piggy bank, nagbilahan.
Ay, wala ang kibi. Oh, ayaw. Iki. Hambi na, be.
What's inside?
It's
You
just
see the
paper.
money.
Oh, lock it. Pa-help ni Kuya.
Ako, big. Look, it looks so key.
I-open ang key. Because
Papa,
it's
give
locked.
me money.
No more money. Ugma na pod. Yan na pod. Unsa man? Ugma na pod butangan og money. Ha? Okay?
Baby.
Ugma na pod ha.
Help.
Lock it.
I'm at the bigger bank. Okay.
They give me the key. Asa ibutang ang big keep the. Ay, hambi ang key kay di na maabre. Give me the key.
Dili.
Give me the key.
Fabric kay makuan na o.
Ayaw nag-i-open. Lock na kay magawas ang kuan be.
Nini.
Ayaw nag-i-open kay lock naman na.
Ako, classmate na po yun.
I'll keep the key, ha?
Tonight, Mama!
No, mawala dun ng kiron. I-open na po ni mo.
Open ang mga... Wait. The key will gonna be in... Where you gonna plan to put your key? The lock. The lock? Di ba yan mo? Steel ba yan na... No, come on. Sorry. Lisod pa yun ng lock. Sorry.
Ay, birahabi. Maguba na. Basta you're going to bira it.
Papa, help me with the key.
Ibutang ang key sa kuan. Ituyok diri man. Kani man.
Open? Oh, you started it. Back? No.
I-open. Okay.
You open? Yeah.
Mm.
Me. This one.
So last night, when I gave the piggy bank to Baste, he was very excited. Unya, sige dyan niyang dala-dala ug nangayo isang money para sa iyang piggy bank, no? So he has now 31 pesos kay I gave him 20 pesos, iyang papa 5 pesos, iyang nanay 5 pesos, and then si Uncle Harold 1 peso. So he has now like 31 pesos. So this afternoon or tonight, we will give him another amount of money para sa iyang piggy bank. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye!